Hi everybody, today we're going to be checking out the Gulfstream. This is going to be their Kingsport 248BH. And at the very front here, we're going to start with your passenger storage. So it goes all the way through, quite a bit going on down there. You do have manual jacks on this guy. Now it is a smaller camper, so you do have a good size awning that goes over the campsite. You do have hanging steps as well as a big grab handle by that entry door. Looking down at the tires, you can see that this camper is dual axle. You do have more storage underneath the bunks that is outdoor accessible. Quite a bit of room underneath there. And then at the back of the trailer, you're gonna have your spare tire and your water heater. Making our way to the driver's side, we're gonna run into your cable and satellite hookups right away. You also have your city water connection. Since this is a smaller guy, this is gonna be 30 amp. Hood range vent by that window up top. And then making our way towards the front, you're gonna find the other side of your passenger storage. At the tongue of this camper, you're gonna find your battery box as well as your power tongue jack, propane tanks, and your battery disconnect. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of the camper to the left of your entry door, we're gonna find your main bed. So this is a queen size bed. You have wardrobes on either side. Night lights above, as well as a little shelf up there to maybe store some shoes. You do have storage underneath this mattress as well. Charging ports on either side. And then on the left, you have a nice little window. Of course, you do have privacy curtains, which is a nice little touch, especially if you have kiddos going along with you. And then moving our way towards the kitchen, you do have a dual basin sink, storage up above and below, 2-burner cooktop, hood range vent, microwave, oversized refrigerator, which is really nice. And then as far as pantry space goes, you do have some cute little cupboards right here next to it. To the left of that, you're going to run into your bathroom. So you have your sink with your medicine cabinet, hot water heater controls, and then going through this door, you're going to find your toilet and your shower tub combo. Now, the thing that's really nice about shower tub combos is that it is perfect for little ones, just like these bunks. Now, these are double bunks, so they are definitely oversized. Nice night lights in there as well, so we can see what we're doing. And then as far as dining room area goes, you do have a dinette here. It does fold into a bed. If you do have a late night straggler, or maybe those kiddos want to bring along a friend. Cute window to overlook that campsite area with storage up above it. And that's going to be your 2025 Kingsport 248BH. Thank you so much. Have a great day. This is really nice. And then as far as pantry space goes, you do have some cute little cupboards right here next to it. To the left of that, you're going to run into your